Well, tonight, the fate of Dr. William Husel rests in the hands of a jury. Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Yolanda Harris.
And I'm Andrew Kinsey. Chief investigative reporter Bennett Haberly has been following this case closely.
He joins us now live from the Franklin County Courthouse. Bennett?
Andrew and Yolanda, good evening. The jury wrapped up their work for the day right around 5 o'clock after deliberating for about 5 hours or so today. This morning, Judge Michael Holbrook reminded them of the charges and gave them their jury instructions. They are considering those 14 murder counts against Dr. William Husel, but the judge told them if there's the chance they feel the state did not beyond a reasonable doubt, they also have the ability to consider that lesser included charge of attempted murder. Dr. Husel made his way into the courtroom this morning alongside his wife and legal team. Throughout this case, prosecutors have argued that just because these patients were critically ill or dying is certainly not a defense for prescribing large doses of fentanyl and other drugs that were given to these 14 patients who they argue were all medically fragile. The defense has countered that by arguing that the jury should be able to consider the medical philosophy of the doctrine of double effect. Simply put, that the good outweighs the bad, meaning that physicians should have the ability to provide comfort care medications, even if there is a risk of potentially hastening that patient's death. The defense has said that these patients' illnesses, not Dr. Husel's drug orders, were the causes of their deaths. Around 2:30 this afternoon, the jury came back with a question. Judge Michael Holbrook then read that in court. Here's that.
A question was propounded by the jury. The original is upstairs right now. It'll be given to the court reporter. I have typed what the question was. It reads, Dr. Joel Zivit states that at the end of his letter that he included a list of articles that supported his opinion. Why are they not included, and or are they missing?
And after that question, there was about 20 minutes of debate between the prosecution and defense on how to answer it. It was basically a reference to a defense expert witness, Dr. Joel Zivit, who essentially mirrored the defense's arguments, saying that he believes it was the underlying conditions of the patients, not the medicine, that led to their deaths. The jurors had questions about some articles that he referenced. Those were not included in evidence. It's not something they will be able to consider. Again, they wrapped up their work today around 5 o'clock. They'll be back here in court at 9 a.m. tomorrow. Reporting live from the Franklin County Courthouse tonight, Bennett Haberly, 10 TV News.